Obesity is a very complex condition, and we know there are a lot of different factors playing in. However, very often obese people or people with obesity are stigmatized because people think, so the layperson think in part, the fact that they are obese is because they have a lack of willpower and can't stop or refrain themselves from eating. However, we don't really know whether this is the case or whether maybe the metabolic state of being obese might be linked to certain homeostatic and reward-based processes in the underlying biology of people with obesity that might trigger certain behaviors. If you want to understand whether what is the cause and what is the consequence, so whether this behavior is giving rise to being obese and to overeating, or whether it's the other way around, you need a slightly different study design. And in this big research program that we started more than 6 years ago, what we are doing is we are looking at the same people that at the first time point were obese. At the second time point, they underwent bariatric surgery, so it's 12 or 6 months, depending on the study, after they underwent bariatric surgery, which means that they are not obese anymore, so they're overweight. And this experimental paradigm allows us to get at this question whether it is really kind of a personal predisposition in their food choice behavior, or whether the metabolic state, or the dysfunctional metabolic state to be more precise, might be linked to other processes that give rise to this behavior. So this big picture question was the starting point for a research program that is a joint effort between the ICM, INSEAD, and the Nutrition and Obesity Department of the Salpêtrière Hospital. We started this research program more than 6 years ago, actually, and finally we're very excited to have the 2 first papers published out of this joint effort.